She pull up, hop out, then she swerve. Do your two-step, your little catwalk, make it work. Make it work, Jill dance, make it work, strike a pose. Make it work, Jill dance, make it work, strike a pose.
I pull up, hop out, then I swerve. Do my two-step, my little catwalk, make it work. Make it work, Jill dance, make it work, strike a pose. Make it work, Jill dance, make it work, strike a pose.
Do your dance, girl, dance, do your dance, girl, dance. Is it me and you, or is you with your friends, girl?
Hey guys, and welcome back to Miss Shan's Shorty Recipes. Thanks again, you guys, for joining me for yet another quick and easy recipe. So guys, for today's recipe, I'm going to go ahead and do another mashup where I'm going to take some homemade brownies and I'm going to add those and mash them up with the classic Grasshopper cookie. All you guys are familiar with the old school Grasshopper mint and fudge cookies, so we're going to go ahead and mash those up with some brownies and turn it into some Grasshopper brownies. Now, of course, like I said, the Grasshopper cookies were known for two things. One was definitely the mint flavor, so we're going to use mint extract in this case. And then also we're going to go ahead and use some green food coloring so we can get that cool minty color. So if the idea of some Grasshopper brownies are sounding good to you guys, can you please go ahead and leave me a thumbs up? Also, don't forget, drop me that comment down below. Let me know if you enjoy the recipe. Please share this video out. I always appreciate that, guys. Thank you so much. And if you're not subscribed, hit that subscribe button and that bell so you're notified of every time I drop a new video. So let's go ahead and get started.
Tell me something, 'cause I don't know how this gonna end. Oh no. Tell me something, 'cause I don't wanna be just friends. No, no. Yeah. Hear me out. Like I make you do the craziest things. Yeah. I didn't I
So here are the finished Grasshopper brownies. We've got 3 delicious, wonderful flavors. We've got that bottom chewy brownie layer, then the second layer is that wonderful mint buttercream, and then the top is kind of like a chocolate topping or a chocolate ganache, so to speak. So we've got 3 different layers that provide us with that awesome Grasshopper or thin mint or Andes mint, anything that's got the mint and chocolate flavor. If you love that, then you're gonna definitely love these brownies. So if you guys did enjoy my recipe today, can you please go ahead and leave me a thumbs up? Also, go ahead, drop me that comment down below. Let me know if you enjoyed it. Share this video out. I definitely appreciate that, guys. Thank you so much. And if you are not subscribed, please go ahead, hit that subscribe button and the bell to be notified of every time I drop a new video. You guys take care and thanks for watching. Bye, guys.